Let's keep adding cast members with the hair at different stages of growth. We're on the last cast member that we made. It's called Advanced Stubble. When we click on the plus button, this creates a new bitmap cast member at the next available slot in our cast window. Notice there. Since we have toggle onion skin turned on and show background turned on, we can see, and we have the preceding cast member set to 1. Because we have all these things selected, we see our background image that we set, which is our face, and we see the preceding cast member, the one before this one in the cast window, which is Advanced Stubble. We can use these to help us draw the next stage of our hair growth. Now sometimes it is useful to see more than just the cast member immediately preceding the one we are working on. We may want to see several cast members back to help us in our animation. We can do this by adjusting the preceding cast members field in our onion skin window. If we change this to 2, let's do that, we not only see Advanced Stubble, but we also see light stubble as a part of our tracing image. Well, it may be difficult to notice this at this point because the two preceding cast members are so similar in their place, but the cast member that's further removed from the one that we're currently working on is more dimmed than the closer one, and that way we can tell them apart. So Advanced Stubble is darker in our tracing image than light stubble is. And this, helps us keep track of which is which, and can help us in our animation. In this instance, it's probably not terribly useful, but oftentimes in animation you'll find this a useful technique. Let's draw our actual hair on this one rather than stubble. We select our paintbrush tool, and let's create a small paintbrush. Okay, we'll go to settings, and I'll select, say, this one, and I'll say OK. And now I'm going to draw my next cast member. Let's call this one, actually, let's name it first. I'm going to call it Short Hair. And in this one, I'm going to actually draw hairs instead of stubble. And this is going to be kind of time-consuming. And actually, let me do Control V here. And I'm going to set both of these to black, because right now it is doing a gradient instead of the pure black. So I'm going to set both of those to black, and now it's going to draw my hairs. Now, as I say, this is a time-consuming process, so I don't expect you to watch the rest of this video. I will keep drawing it, though. So if you want to stop watching this video now, you can, or you can watch as I draw the rest of his hair. Now notice that it's kind of making little dots instead of lines, and this is because the way that it does the paintbrush is it actually just adds little dots. That's what the paintbrush setting is. So as we draw this, because we're capturing the screen's video, we're doing screen capture at the same time, it's slowing everything down. So it's sort of like making it kind of pixelated almost. But I'm going to keep drawing here so that you can see. And if you want, you can just stop viewing this. In fact, I'm just going to stop this video right now and draw the rest of it. And in the next video, you will see the completed version of Short Hair.